If you have been looking on ways of earning money online, I bet you are on the right place. Many people have been looking for how to do this. The only thing that you need for you to earn money online is your phone. Make sure you have internet connection, your laptop or your computer or your iPad. Any of these can make money for you online, but you need to show up. When they tell you that consistency is the key, really consistency is the key to making money online. Just like a man that has a physical shop and he opens today Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, he's not there. Then he now opens and shows up on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Nobody is going to patronize. No, the sales are going to go low. So as well as online, you need to show up. When I say show up, show up. That's what you need to do. And have faith that you are going to make sales. So today I'm going to be sharing the 12 fastest ways for you to earn money, make money legitly online on the internet. No skills, no more skills. You understand? Just know what you want to do. Have your faith, have your aim of what you really want to do and get it. And this time, I am not talking about forex trading. I am not talking about Bitcoin buying and selling. I am not talking about, all those money schemes of, get rich quick and all that. I am going to tell you the fastest ways. When you do this, when you are doing this, or when you do this, you are going to see results in a short time without any waste of time. Number one, e-commerce. E-commerce has become one of the biggest and fastest popular ways of making money online. This is the buying and selling of goods, whether you are importing or sourcing goods locally. Anyhow you want to source your goods, or make sure you have an online store where you want to sell this, where you can sell your products online. You can sell on Gigi, you can sell on Konga, you can sell on Jumia. You can also open your own website, online store, create your own. That's where you can sell. Another place is Facebook Marketplace. Don't underrate Facebook Marketplace. People has been making their millions on Facebook Marketplace. I actually sell on Facebook Marketplace. You need to open your own Facebook group and join other groups and platforms that promote your sales. Your goods need to be visible for you to be able to sell online. If your goods are not visible, there's no way you are going to sell online. So make sure you join groups, you join WhatsApp groups, and you open your own pages and all that. Have your own page, have your own groups, and before you know it, people will be sending you messages. And number one thing, make sure you are responding to those messages. That's another thing. The next one, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the stressless ways and fastest ways of making money. You source for companies, you look for companies that has products, either services. You understand? You market and promote their goods. At the end of the day, you earn a commission. That's how it works. Even companies are now teaching affiliate marketing as a course, and people pay to learn about that. So you can go and learn about it and start promoting any other thing, any other business you want to promote. You can promote for Jumia. They have a affiliate marketing, Long Reach, other companies. There are plenty right now. So understand? Promote, make commission. It doesn't waste time. It doesn't waste time. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is freelancing jobs. People are making this money steadily. There are so many money on the tables. People are sitting on it. So if you have these digital skills that you can share and get your money for services rendered online, you can get money through editing. You can get money through your graphic designs. You can get money through translating languages for documents. Should have for people. Which other one? Photography. Yes, they are making money on that. Cinematography or whatever, they are all making money. You just need to be on the platform like Fiverr and Upwork. That is where they pay you. From there you now get your gigs. Even YouTube jobs, people are making money through all these apps. So don't sleep and wake up and say there's nothing happening. You use your data, you burn your data. People are doing it. Don't know, just know where you belong, and before you know it, you start earning. The next one I'm going to talk about is blogging. Bloggers are cashing out. The only thing is this: I told you, you need to show up, you need to be serious. Just Get your writing skills. Even if you don't know how to write, you can learn. If you're interested in reading stories, get a niche. Do you understand? Whether it's business, cooking, anyone, posting news, celebrity news, entertainment. Right now, Linda Ikeji is one of the biggest bloggers in Nigeria, and she is making her money, cashing out. That's just it. When you reach for how to monetize, I will talk about that. But let me tell you, you monetize your blog through Google AdSense. You start pasting sponsored ads, pasting ads, and all that, and they'll be paying you. People can also advertise on your blogs through sponsored ads and all that, and you get paid. Individuals can also do without companies. Individuals can also post their ads from you inside your blog, and you start making money. So there's no limitations to this. Another way that people are cashing out is podcasting. You can make money through podcasts, doing podcasts online. Should I understand? Like Apple Store, Apple Podcast Store, Spotify, even YouTube right now. YouTube have podcast platforms right now. The only thing is you need to do is you need to create community of listeners, people that are ready to listen to you. Look at Glitch podcast and other people, some of them they are famous. I cannot even mention their name. You create your community of listeners. Make sure you have good, great quality production and quality content so that people will be able to, listen to you. And you talk whatever topic, get good, great content. And you monetize your ads, you monetize your podcast. They get paid through paid ads, listeners donations, and premium episodes. That is how they make their money. Should understand? I am telling you, there is no limitation. Different ways. The only thing is for you to find which one that you can be able to do. The next one is Uber driving. Do not underrate them. Uber driving is another way of making money online. People are doing this. Just have a reliable vehicle, not push and start, not the one that will be giving you problems every day. Make sure the vehicle is sound, and you must live in a city for you to make that Uber driving money. Yes, live in a city where you are familiar with the city. Know all the roads and be happy doing your jobs. People are making money every time. People try to travel. People try to, you pick people from the airport. You'll be seeing your messages and come and drive me and all that. I'm ready. You understand? The messages are all pumping up on that Uber applications. That's just it. And you make your money. The next thing, this one I cannot forget, content creators. Millions of Nigerians and even in the world, billions of people are on social media right now. So social media is another making money place. Your qualities, your creativity, people that are making comedy skits, dancing videos, and which other one again? Dancing, many of them. How will I put it? There are plenty there on the creating content for people to absorb. Instagram, Facebook, and all that. And you need to have a large audience, your fan base. You need to get engaged with them. You understand? So that you'll be monetized. All those things that you're saying, they are monetized. It's not free of charge. That's just it. The next one is create and sell digital content. People are not monetizing their skills. I've said this before. So if you have the quality of the ability of creating movies, creating songs, even ebooks, you understand? People are making money from this. Tutorials. Either you do voice or you write. You understand? And sell it to people. They will buy. Even podcasting. Some people don't have the ability to write content. People do it for them and they sell it and make money. That is how they are making their money. Another one is YouTubing. People are making money on YouTube. YouTube is the biggest platform on videos. You post videos and earn money. You need to own your royalty, earn your royalties from your fans. You need to show up, create content, find your niche, and start making money. They have requirements for making money on YouTube. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to be able to monetize your YouTube. Also, people make money through affiliate marketing. They make money through sponsorships and deals. You understand? Inside that same YouTube that you're watching, people even sell their mash. They have shops there too. So it depends on how you do your things. And you need to build traffic. You need to build fan base. People need to be coming to your page. You understand me? That is how people are making their money. The next one is social media management. When you see all those celebrities promoting brands, promoting everything, people are paying them for that. So when you now create your own page, people, they will know that you have followers, you have you have the power to create content. You don't need to be in the office and be doing all of these things. You can be doing these things in your house. You understand me? People now, follow them. Brands, they need people that will represent them, because they might not even have that followers. You can see somebody maybe marketing one or two goods, maybe a marketing Omo. The Omo company itself, in their digital pages or what, they don't even have up to 10,000, but the person that is marketing the business have up to like 12 million followers or 20 million followers. So they know that with you, that they can reach more people. That is why they are giving them those businesses to promote for them. You can be that person, an influencer, influencing jobs. If you have those abilities and those characteristics, and inside you that you can do it, people are also cashing out from there. The next one is a website designing or designers. People are designing this. All these websites that we are seeing, someone did it. All the applications they are seeing, all you need is to create your own company. You understand? Promote it and let people know that yes, you are doing this. We subscribe to apps, we purchase apps. All these things are money making machine things. Even the rates are all going up. That's just it. Then this one, you make money fast also. Thrift goods, fairly used goods. You can source for your fairly used goods. Get good products. Don't go and buy the ones that are tired though. You understand? Because if you buy the ones that are tired, nobody me. Even if I want to buy second hand material, I cannot buy the one that is already gone. You understand? You buy good, fairly used products and you sell it and make your money. You understand? These are my ways of making money that you will never get lost if you are doing all these kind of things. Either you earn from number one, or you earn from number two, or you earn from number three. Guys, if you have any comments, if you have any question, you can put it on the comment section. I'll be able to answer the ones I can answer. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor, try, Biko, and subscribe. Hit on the button link. You understand? And I'll be showing up now. You understand? I have talked about business, so I'll be showing up to talk about business growth and how to make more money on your business. If you don't know how to improve on your business, I'll be talking about that stage by stage. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Click, comment, like, or share. Thank you. Bye bye.